Going down.
So at the ticketing in Dallas Love Field Airport.
Basement.
This is kind of scenic in a way. Oh, you're going up?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Going up. First floor. Going down.
You'll see what I mean right here. By it's a little partially scenic. See?
Basement.
Let's see what's down here.
Going up.
I don't think there are any more elevators down there. See, and then look up there.
First floor.
And you can see it out there a little bit. Let's go to B.
Going down.
You can see it out here.
Basement.
Let's get off here.
Going up.
They should have made this a full-blown scenic elevator, but oh well. Still nice. And let's go.